Namaste. Welcome to Introduction to Tehai Concept in Tabla Playing, Lecture 30. Today we will discuss the topic Tehai practice in 15 and 16 Matra. So today we will practice Tehais in 15 and 16 Matras. Let's see the structure of Tehais in 15 Matra first. So we have this first Tehai, first example. Dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha takita takadimi. So the palla we have dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati. This is 4.5. It's 3.5 palla. Palla of 3.5 matra, and this is the dam until this matra. So total 9 laghus we have. That means we have 2.25 matra pause. So the structure will be 10.5, that is 3.5 into 3 plus 2.25 into 2, so that becomes 4.5. So this is how we have this Tehai. So I think you have understood this structure. 10.5 plus 4.5, 3.5 into 3 pallas and 4.5, that is 2.25 into 2 times the dam. So this is a Tehai with 3.5 palla and 2.25 dam. So we will say this Tehai now. We will recite this Tehai. Let's recite this Tehai now. So let's recite this Tehai. Dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha takita takadimi dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha takita takadimi dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha dhidinna dhidinna ti kritinna tirikititinna katta dhindinna dhindinna. So let's recite this Tehai. Na dhin dhin dha dinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha takita takadimi dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha takita takadimi dhadinna dhatinna dhadinna dhatinna dhati dha. So we are saying takita takadimi. Since it's a 2.25 phrase, we are saying takita takadimi. So let's move to another Tehai. So here we have kit tak tiri kit dha, kit tak tiri kit dha, kit tak tiri kit. So this is the palla, 4 matra palla. This is a 4 matra palla, and dha 1 2. So this will be 1.5 matra pause. Structure will be 3 into 4, 4 into 3, that is 12 matra plus 1.5 pause into 2, that is 3 matra. So 12 plus 3, we get 15 matra. So this is a simple form of Tehai. Now we just say this Tehai in Lehra. So Lehra can be of your choice, whichever comfortable lehra you feel. You can practice reciting these Tehais in that Lehra. So I am using the Lehra app. Dhin dhin na ti kritin na tire kit tin na katta dhin dhin na dhin dhin that ti kritin na tire kit tin na katta dhin dhin na dhin dhin kit tak tere kit dha 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 kit tak tere kit dha. So we are not saying dha 1 2 pause, though we calculate or we say dha 1 2, but we are not, while we recite we are not saying dha 1 2, we need to fill the gap. Kit tak tere kit dha 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 kit tak tere kit kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit. Or instead of dha 1 2 you can say dha an. So how to say dha an? Just see. Tere kit tin na katta dhin dhin na dhin dhin kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit dha an kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit dha an kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit dha kit tak tere kit dhin. So it was a simple Tehai in Pancham Savari Taal, that is 15 Matra. Another example we have. Let's see the structure of this Tehai. Dhataka dhikita kata gadigana, dhataka dhikita kata gadigana, dhataka dhikita kata gadigana. So this is 4.5 structure. Palla will be 4.5. I will mark the Palla first. It continues to the 5th Matra here, and this becomes the Palla 4.5. So how this 4.5 has become? So we have 1.5, that is dhataka dhikita kata gadigana, dhataka dhikita and kata gadigana. So dhataka dhikita kata gadigana, this is 1.5 Matra into 3 Matra. So this is how we are getting this combination of 4.5 Matra, that is dhataka dhikita kata gadigana into 3 times, and this is the Palla. So this will be, this is the pause 0.75 Matras. So these are 0.75 Matra, 2 pauses. So 4.5 into 3. So we get 13.5 plus 0.75 into 2. These are 2 pauses. So we get 1.5. So the total calculation is 13.5 plus 1.5. This is 13.5 actually. So that becomes 15. So 15 is the, I'll write it again, 13.5 plus 1.5. So these are 15 total. So we get the Pancham Savari Taal Tehai in this manner. So let's say this Tehai, recite this Tehai now. Ti kritin na tere kitatin na katta dhin dhin na dhin dhin dhatakati kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dha dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dha dhatakati kata kata katikan 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 dhan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dhatakati kata kata katikan dha. So dhana Dhana, you can say dha a or dha an. Once again, I will recite this Tehai. Tire kita tin na kata din din na din din. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Da a. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Da a. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Dhataka dikita kata. Dhataka dikita kata kadikata. Then. So this is how you can recite this Tehai. So it's a combination of 3 times Dhataka dikita kata kadikata, making total number of matra, that is 4.5, with combination of 0.75 matra, that is pawn matra dam. So let's move to another example. Now we have this Tehai. It's a complex Tehai structure because the pause in this Tehai is 0.375. So let's see the structure. Dhataka dikita kata gadigana, dhataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana. So the palla will be dhataka dikita kata gadigana 2 times, tita kata gadigana and kata gadigana. So until this matra it is 4 and these are 0.75 matra. So we get the total palla of 4.75 matra. So 4.75 matra, and this is a short pause which will be 0.375 matra, that is half of pawn, that is 1/2 of pawn gun, pawn matra pause. So 4.75 into 3, so we get 14.25. So we get 14.25 plus 0.375 into 2, we get 0.75. So our calculation will be 14.25 plus 0.75, that becomes total 15. So it's a complex structure in itself, having one palla of 4.75 matra, that is paune 5 matra, and pause will be 0.375, which is half of pawn matra. So let's try to recite this Tehai in Vilambit lay. Since it's a complex structure, for better understanding we will recite this Tehai in Vilambit lay, and if you try to recite this Tehai in faster tempo, it will be difficult to calculate the pause properly. Ti katenna tire kita tenna katta dhin dhin na dhin dhin dhataka dikita kata gadigana, dhataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dhana dhataka dikita kata gadigana, dhataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dhana dhataka dikita kata gadigana, dhataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dhin na. So you can see how short the dhana pause is. You need to be very careful while reciting this Tehai. So once again we will recite it. Ta dhin 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 dhataka dikita kata gadigana, dhataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dhana dhataka dikita kata gadigana, dhataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dha dhataka dikita kata gadig, dhataka dikita gadig, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dhan. So it's difficult to say such type of Tehais. Now we move to 16 matra. The first example in 16 matra is Teen Taal. Obviously it's going to be a Teen Taal. So it's a universal Taal, and you can have multiple Tehais, but to represent some Tehais in Teen Taal, I am presenting some Tehais over here, that basic Tehais. So I am using, purposely I am using basic language, because language can be in any form. The Pakhavaj language can be there or Tabla language can be there. So this is the basic language form which I am using for better understanding of the students. So first Tehai we have dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna. So the pause and palla will try to just see the structure here. So we have, first we have dhati dhada tinna. So dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna. So 3 times dhati dhada tinna, same structure which we have seen earlier, that is 1.5 into 3. So it becomes 4.5 structure with palla. But in this case, in Pancham Savari, 4.5 palla combination was 0.75 matra pause. Now here the pause is, see, we can see the pause. So pause is dha a. So total 5 laghus. 5 laghus is 1.25 matra. This is 1.25 matra pause. So dha atakita, that the pause we can say like dha atakita. So 4.5. So this is 4.5 into 3 plus 1.25 into 2. So we get 4.5, that is 13.5 plus 1.25 into 2.5. So we get 2.5 here. So total we get 16 matras here. So see, this is the first Tehai in Teen Taal. It's a bit complex Tehai, since pauses like 2.25, 1.25, 1.75 or 0.75 and obviously 0.375, these are very complicated pauses. So 1.25 pause falls in the category of complex pauses. So the first Tehai itself is a complex Tehai in Teen Taal. So we will try to say this Tehai. I will set the lehra first. So we will try to recite this Tehai. Dhin, dha, tin, ta, okay, dhin, Tehai. Dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dha takit, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dha takit, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dha. So dha takita, you can count it in silent way. Once again we will see to this Tehai. Dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dha. Dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dha. Dhati dhada tinna, dhati dhada tinna, dha. So dhati dhada tinna, dha takita with combination, that is 1.25 pause. So we'll move to next Tehai example. So we have kattirikita ta, tirikita ta, tirikita dha, ti, dha. So this structure is kattirikita ta, tirikita ta, tirikita dha, ti, dha, ti. It's a 5 matra. It's a 5 matra pause, palla, 5 matra palla, and this is the pause which is 0.5 matra or half matra pause, So the structure of this Tehai will be 5 into 3, 15 and 1 into 2, that is 0.5 into 2, that is 15 plus 1, so we get 16. So this is the Tehai, basic Tehai in 16 matra. So we will try to recite this Tehai. Dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. Katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha. So this is how you can practice this Tehai with Hastakriya also. So we will recite this Tehai now in Taal, Teen Taal. Dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. Katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha katirikit tak ta tirikit tak tirikit tak ta tirikit dha ti dha. So this is how you can recite this Tehai. Now we move to the last example in Teen Taal. So we have an example that is, so we have an example that is Dhataka dhikita kata gadi gana dhataka dhikita kata gadi gana tita kata gadi gana dhati dha dhati dha dhati dha. So this is, let's mark the palla here. Dhataka dhikita kata gadi gana dhataka dhikita kata gadi gana tita kata gadi gana and dhati dha dhati dha dhati. So this palla we have 5.25 and this is a very short pause, that is 0.125 matra, or you can say this is 1/8th matra. This is 1/8th matra. So the total calculation for this Tehai becomes 5.25 into 3, that is 15.75 plus 0.125 into 2, that becomes 0.25. So 15.75 plus 0.25 becomes 16. So let's say this Tehai now, recite it. Dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. Dhataka dhikita kata gadigana dhataka dhikita kata gadigana tita kata gadigana dhati dha dhati dha dhati dha dhataka dhikita kata gadigana dhataka dhikita kata gadigana tita kata gadigana dhati dha dhati dha dhati dha dhataka dhikita kata gadigana dhataka dhikita kata gadigana tita kata gadigana dhati dha dhati dha dhati dha. So now we will try to play all these Tehais in 15 and 16 matras on tabla. So we play this Tehais in 15 matra first. So we have this first Tehai. So we will play these Tehais on tabla now. 15 matra Tehai, first Tehai. Ti kratenna tere kete tenna katta din dinna din dinna dha dinna dha tinna dha dinna dha tinna dhati dha dha dinna dha tinna dha dinna dha tinna dhati dha dha dinna dha tinna dha dinna dha tinna dhati. have a second example. Kritinna tere kit tinna katta. I will recite it first. Kitatak tere kit dha, 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 kitatak tere kit. So this is how it's a simple Tehai. We'll move to third Tehai. Tanna tere kita tinna katta. Tehai. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Da. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Da. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. Daraka dikita kata gadigan. So we have the last example in 15 Matra. It's a complicated Tehai. Dataka dikita kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, da. Dataka dikita kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, da. Dataka dikita kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, da. Dataka dikita kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana, da. Dataka dikita kata gadigana, dataka dikita kata gadigana, tita kata gadigana, kata gadigana. So these were Tehais in 15 Matra. Now we move to 16 Matra Tehai. So first Tehai we have Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dha Takita. So I'll set the Taal, Lehra. The Tehai in 3 Taal. Tin, Ta, Ta, Din, Din, Tha. Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dha. Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dha. Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna, Dati Dada Tinna. So we move to second Tehai, second example. Tin, ta, ta, din, din, dha. Kat tere kit tak ta tere kit tak tere kit tak ta tere kit dha. Tit, dha kat tere kit tak ta tere kit tak tere kit tak ta tere kit dha. Ti, dha kat tere kit tak ta tere kit tak tere kit tak ta tere kit dha. Ti, dha. So we have the Tehai now. It's a complicated Tehai. We'll play this Tehai in slower tempo. So 5.25, that is Palla, and 0.13.
Dhataka dhiki takata gadigana, dhataka dhiki takata gadigana, katikata gadigana, dhati dhataka dhiki takata gadigana, dhataka dhiki takata gadigana, titakata gadigana, dhati dhataka dhiki takata gadigana, dhataka dhiki takata gadigana, titakata gadigana, dhati da. So I hope you have understood this session and you will practice this Tehai at home. Thank you.